When I look up at the moon, I see you. I feel your presence as the light from the night sky pours through my window. You may be gone, but it is as if you were within my reach, Nonna. If I keep stretching, keep reaching towards the moon, I can be with you again. I get lost in the memories we share together and wish more than anything for one more second with you. If I just keep reaching. Everywhere I go, I see signs of you, things that remind me of times we have spent together. Your voice constantly telling me what to do. Be nice to your sister, Emily. Help your mom, Emily. I love you, Emily. If I just keep reaching. Every time I hear the phone, I expect your name to pop up on the screen as it used to. I drive by your street and it is you who I think about. I remember all the meals we shared together, the holiday get-togethers, and the sleepovers. Every time I see a plane in the sky, the memories from our family vacations come crashing through my mind like the waves did on the beaches of Italy. If I just keep reaching. I aspire to be as strong as you were, never letting fear get in my way, doing the unexpected, and living life to the absolute fullest. You were always there cheering me on, my own personal cheerleader. If I just keep reaching. You were the constant light in all of our lives, shining so brightly, holding our family together. If I just keep reaching.